then what I can do? So in the field where I am doing research, I am collecting the data, I am editing and checking the data, that is called field editing. After coming to my place, this may be located, an organization is located somewhere else. So I collected the data in their place, I have checked for its validity. It is called field editing. And after coming to my place, I am doing that is called central editing. So there are two major important benefits of field editing when compared to central editing. What may be? If some points or some questions are not been answered by the person, immediately I can return back to them and I can get the option. So I can check whether all the answers are marked by the respondent. If it is not so, I can able to make it. Okay, and the second one is I have been built a rapport. So at the start, it will take minimum number of days time to build a rapport. So they will be answering very well, they will be replying very well. They can check the confidentiality. That means after my place I can do anything else. If I am doing in their place, I can maintain this confidentiality. These are the two major advantages of field editing when compared to central editing. But sometimes I may not be able to have available time to check for the data collected. Okay, here only the concept of central editing is coming. So this may take a while. On that day itself I will be evaluating, or it will take minimum 10 days or 1 month to do a validation of that data. This is the way I can manage data first. Then once I have checked for its data, I may be observing the don't know response. So what are the don't know response? I have given option A and B. A stands for yes, B stands for no. So they may not be picking from the available alternative, they may be chosen some other. No opinion or nil, not available or not applicable. Something else they may be choosing. These are the only two choices I can able to prepare coding, because it is a pre-structured questionnaire. So what is pre-structured? Who are the respondents to whom I am going to circulate the data? What are the questions I am going to ask them? Everything is predetermined. Okay. So once I frame predetermined questionnaire, I can choose the codes also. 1 or 0. Say for example, a competitive exam is conducted by government. Okay, they may be deciding on the type of question A, B, C, D, and A consists of 25, out of which 10 dichotomous, yes or no option. So for that 1, 0. These are all predetermined. Okay, once the exam is over, they will be evaluating the paper. Then and that online itself will be getting the marks. Okay, so the same way this is a pre-structured or predetermined. I decided for question number 1. Yes consists of 1, no consists of 0. This is predetermined. But my respondents have chosen some other option. I cannot able to allot response. So how can I allot? Already I allotted higher value, lower value. In between I cannot fix. So this will create a lot of confusion. So that may be called as no response. So whenever in my questionnaire the respondents are given more number of PK response or don't know response. So what will be my research? What will be my research? I cannot find out a solution to the problem. Right? So I have to avoid this don't know response. Then only I can get the reliable answer from the respondents that leads to good quality of solutions. Okay? So that is why this kind of responders have to be avoided by all the researchers. That's why they are moving for pre-structured question, and the options are also determined. Say for example, if it is a 5-point scale, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Highly satisfied or strongly agree, neutral, disagree, strongly disagree. Okay, so they will alert. While asking the question itself, they will have in their mind if they have chosen yes, strongly agree, they will be alerted with 5. So they can easily estimate how many 5, how many 4, how many 3, how many 2, how many 1 out of 50 respondents for question number 2. Okay, this way they can able to manage the data effectively. Okay, that is why we are going for the second data management plan as what? Coding. Then comes classifications. I am going to accommodate because if I go to write all the options, say if I count 50 respondents, 25 questions, it will take a lengthy process. So I can reduce that into a classification. So 0 to 10 respondents, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40. So this is a kind of inclusive type of interval. There are two types of interval classification. One is inclusive, other one is exclusive. Inclusive 0 to 10. So 10, above 10 might be located into the next category. Above 20 located into the next category. Whereas exclusive 0.5 to 9.5. 10 to 19.5. 20 to 20.5. So that means till 9.5 will be accommodated here. After 9.5, this will be accommodated here. That is what it is called as exclusive type of interval. Okay? Or simply you can write 0 to 9, 10 to 19, 20 to 29. Okay? This is exclusive type of interval. So the entire 50 number of respondents' opinion for 25 questions have been accommodated here in one table. So question number 3. So the options are this. So 10 respondents have been given as what? Sorry, strongly agree, highly satisfied. 5. So 10 respondents have chosen 5. 5 respondents have chosen. This is number of response. Sorry. Okay. Strongly agree, agree, neutral, disagree, strongly disagree. So 10 respondents have chosen this. Agree 5, 10, 11, 5, 9 respondents. So altogether 50 number of respondents are given. Their choices in a diversified manner for question number 3. So next to 4. Likewise, I can able to classify. So this will be giving a simple representation of the entire data. Okay. So in order to avoid much more space, this kind of classification is very, very important in case of data management or research analysis. So classify panel, this is what my table. So opinion, number of respondents, percentage. So opinion, strongly agree, agree, neutral, disagree, strongly disagree. So percentage I can convert out of 50. So how much percentage? 50, 20, yeah. Okay. So this is where I can able to manage the data in an efficient way. Okay. So next any topic in 4th unit. Check your unit. Any other topics? I asked you to check the syllabus. Predictor is my independent variable